So in previous class, yesterday class, we discussed about volume by volume percent, weight by volume percent, weight by weight percent, ppm and ppp. Now we are going to discuss remaining important concentration terms. Those are the first one, molarity. Those are molarity. So what is molarity? If you define molarity, the number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution is called molarity. So what is molarity means? The number of moles of a solute. To define the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution, it is called molarity. It is called molarity. The number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution, it is called as molarity. And it is denoted by capital M. It is denoted by capital M. Then here number, what is the formula? Molarity is equal to number of moles by volume of solution in liters. Number of moles by volume of solution in liter. We know that number of moles N equal to weight by molecular weight. So if we substitute this N value here, we get M molarity is equal to W by gram molecular weight into 1 by B, that is in liters. It is the formula to calculate molarity. And of course here 1000 by B, then it is in ml. If in question the value is given in ml, then they are using 1000 by B. If the value is present in liters, then 1 by B they are using. That is about molarity. Molarity. Clear? Then if you go to the next one, molarity. Molarity. What is molarity? What is molarity means? Only one change. The number of moles of a solute present in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg of solvent. It is called as molarity. Moles of a solute present in 1 kg of a solvent, it is called as molarity. So, right here, number of moles of a solute present in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg of solvent. It is called as molarity. And it is molarity. Okay. So what is molarity? The number of moles of a solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Then it is called molarity. See, it is denoted by small m. It is denoted by small m. And what is the formula? Here also say m is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by weight of solvent in kg, or m is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into what is another formula. See, molality nothing but number of moles present in 1 kg of a solvent. It is called molality. Molarity nothing but number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution. 1 liter of a solution. That is molarity, and it is denoted by capital M. If you go to the molality, it is denoted by small m, and it is when the solvent is present in kg, 1 by W kg. When it is, the question is given in grams, some 200 grams of solvent, then 1000 by W kg. So that is the formula of molarity. Clear? Then normality. If you go to the next one, normality. So what is normality means? See, number of gram equivalent weight of a solute in 1 liter of solution. It is called normality. The definition of normality is the number of gram equivalent weight of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution. It is called as normality, and it is denoted by capital M, and it is denoted by capital M. Already we discussed in previous classes in detail. So that is about normality. And what is the formula? N equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1 by V in liters. Clear? That is about the formula to calculate normality. Liter is given, then 1 by V. If ml, then 1000 by V. Know that formula. Clear? It is about formula of normality. Then, if you go to the next one, mole fraction. So what is mole fraction means? The ratio of number of moles of a component, number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all components present in solution. It is called mole fraction. Listen, what is mole fraction means? For example, it is A, and it is 2 kinds of solutions are present. Means here number of moles 2, in this number of moles 4. Then what is mole fraction means? What is the mole fraction of A? Nothing but this mole fraction of A is equal to number of moles present in one component to the ratio of number of moles present in one component to number of moles A, so 2 by total number of moles present in all components. Total number of moles present in solution. Okay, so 2 plus 4, that is 2 by 6. Clear? So number of moles present in solution by total number of moles present in solution. It is called mole fraction. Mole fraction. Okay, and it is mole fraction. It is not having any units. Molarity, it is noted by unit m. Molarity, small m. Normality, capital N. But mole fraction, there is no units for mole fraction. It is also important for completing. Clear? So that is about 4 kinds of concentration terms. 4 kinds of concentration terms. Clear? So total in previous class, W by W percentage, W by volume percentage, nothing but weight by volume percentage, and volume by volume percentage, ppm, ppb. This completed in previous class. Now remaining concentration terms: molarity, molality, normality, and mole fraction. These are the 4 important concentration terms for competitive examinations. The JEE Mains or MSET or maybe NEET and different types of competitive examinations. These are the most important topics for numericals. Clear? So that is about concept-based concept. Now, if you go to the numericals, present in this topic, which of the following is not an example of a solution? It is completed. Third one, which of the following methods of expressing concentration is independent of temperature? Independent of temperature. Independent of temperature. The first one, molarity. Second option, molarity. Third option, formality. Fourth option, normality. See, 4 options are given in this. Which one of independent of temperature? Independent of temperature. In the classification of concentration terms, we discussed temperature independent, temperature dependent. Temperature independent, temperature dependent. See, molarity is a temperature dependent because molarity, it is volume related. Formality and normality also volume related. So molarity is the temperature independent. It is not temperature dependent. Clear? Which is independent of temperature. Clear? That is the second option, molarity. And then for the fourth one, fourth question, matching the following: normality, molarity, molality, and mole fraction. 4 options are given. Okay. The first one, A is normality, B molarity, C molarity, and D mole fraction. Here options are P options vary with temperature, Q independent of temperature or has units. Yes, has no units. Is the Magic, normality, molarity, mole fraction. And what about where temperature independent of temperature has units, has no units? Which options are correct? Any guesses? C. A nothing but normality. Normality, it is a temperature dependent. So A, B, and then normality has units just now discussed. So and if you go to the B, molarity also temperature dependent. B, and is have units or not? So and what about C? What about C? Molarity. It is varied temperatures are independent. Independent. Q. And molarity has units or not? It has units. So next one. D. Mole fraction. Molarity and the mole fractions are mass related concentration terms. So there is no effect of temperature. So here also Q and mole fraction has units or not. Just now we discussed molarity, normality has units, but mole fraction is, so there is no units for mole fraction. So yes, it is a correct option. Here, which option is correct? In your J-Mains book, that is the first option. Clear? That is first option. And then, if you go to the sixth one, when the volume of the solution is doubled, the following becomes exactly off. Volume is doubled, then gas is off. That is the question. If the volume is doubled, what is the options? The first one, molarity. The second one, mole fraction. Third one, molarity, sorry, and molarity and weight by weight percent. Clear? So which, anyone? See, molarity. How it is possible means here volume is doubled. Two solutions are present. So that's why M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. Clear? Here, what we have to calculate? See, if V1 V is equal to V, value is doubled to V. Clear? So M2 is equal to M1 V by 2V. Clear? So V will cancel, that is M by 2. Means if molarity is 2, if molarity is 4 by 2, that is 2. So off. So which one? The molarity. If the molarity, the value is doubled, the molarity of the solution is off. Clear? So that is exactly, it becomes exactly off. Here is, here that is about 6 months. Here 1 kg of NaOH. Here, so what is, we have to calculate 1 kg of NaOH is added to 10 ml of 0.1 N, 0.1 N HCl. Here the question: when 1 kg of NaOH sodium hydroxide solution is added to 10 ml, 0.1 NaCl, then the resulting solution is, what is the nature of resulting solution? What is the nature of resulting solution? So if you go to the nature of resulting solution, first we have to calculate milligram equivalent of HCl. Is equal to, what is the formula? Normality into value, that is ml. Normality into value, that is C. What is the normality here? N 0.1 into, what is the value? 10 here. So 10, that equal to milligram equivalent of HCl equal to 1. That is milli equivalent. Clear? Then we have to calculate sodium hydroxide. So number of gram equivalent of sodium hydroxide is equal to, what is the formula? Weight by gram equivalent weight. So what is the weight here? 1 kg of sodium hydroxide. 1 kg of sodium hydroxide is how many grams? 1000 grams. 1000 by gram equivalent weight of base. It is a base. What is the base? How can you calculate gram equivalent weight for base? Molecular mass by acidity. Molecular mass by acidity. What is acidity? Number of OH plus, number of OH minus ions. How many number of OH minus ions are in NaOH? Only one. Here, calcium hydroxide, NaOH, it is 1. Calcium hydroxide, 2 are present. Aluminium hydroxide, 3 OH groups are present. You know very well. So, NaOH, what is the molecular weight of NaOH? NaOH, 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is equal to 40 molecular weight. So, right here, 40. What about there is 25 equivalents. Then milli equivalents, it is in milli equivalents are present, it is equivalent. Then it is converted into milli equivalents. So 25 into 10 power 3. So milli equivalents. Then 25. 25 here 1. 25 and 1. Which is greater? Sodium hydroxide milli equivalent is greater than HCl milligram. Here value is 1, here 25. So option, the second option. Phenolphthalein is pink in basic solution. It is pink color in basic. Why? Because sodium hydroxide concentration is more. If the sodium hydroxide concentration is more, then what about its nature? Basic nature. In basic solution, what is the action of phenolphthalein? Phenolphthalein is pink color in basic solution. No, clear. So that is a second option. Listen here. Here 1 kg of sodium hydroxide is given. Here the volume of HCl is, and Normality of the cell is present in question. So I have to calculate milligram equivalent. How we are going to calculate milligram equivalent? Formula is present. Based on the data is given in the question. Normality into value, because normality is like value present for HCl. So 0.1 into 10, that is 1 milli equivalent. Here, sodium hydroxide, there is no normality value, only weight of sodium hydroxide is present. So if weight of sodium hydroxide is given, then we have to calculate milligram equivalent. So we are going to calculate gram equivalent means weight by gram equivalent weight. So gram equivalent weight. What is the formula to calculate gram equivalent weight? For base, sodium hydroxide is a base. So base molecular weight by acidity. What is acidity? Number of OH minus ions are present. How many OH minus ions are present in any OH? Only one. So 40 by 1. 40 by 1 equal to 40. So 40, that is 25. The equivalents are converted into milli-equivalents, that is 1000. So this concentration is 1, its concentration is 25. It is more concentration of sodium hydroxide. So it is a base. The base nothing but it converts, means the phenolphthalein is pink color in basic solution. Clear? 8.1. It is a direct question definition. 8.1. Number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 kg or 1000 grams of a solvent. It is called number of moles of a solute is dissolved in 1000 grams of a solvent. What is the definition? Yes, it is called molarity. That is the second option. Molarity. Clear. Then if you go to the 9th one, which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? So, for a binary solution, sum of mole, for example, division. Here, binary solution means nothing but two components are present. Two components. Question number 9 by 21 page number. See, two components A, B, A, B. A is a solute, B is solvent. A is solute, B is solvent. Then, for binary solution, sum of mole fractions of all components is equal to 1. It is true because the first one, mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. Always it is equal to 1. This is right. Now in coming classes we are going to discuss that one. Then mole fraction of 1 by mole fraction of 2 is equal to moles of 1 by moles of 2. Is possible or not? See, for example, if you think this 1 is 1. If 1 nothing but 0.5, 0.5. That is 1. Clear? So, second option also correct. Then how can you calculate what is the formula? If one calculate mole fraction of A, mole fraction of A is equal to A moles by A moles present in A plus moles present in B. That is the formula. That is the given moles of a solute. If you want to calculate A mole fraction, then moles present in A. If you want to calculate B mole fraction, moles present in B by moles present in A plus moles present in B. Because what is the formula? What is the mole fraction? The ratio of number of moles present in one component to total number of moles present in the solution. So all options are true. So that's why option fourth option. All options are clear. Completed. If density is given, the formulas are different. So now we are going to discuss those numericals. See, that is seventh one and sixth one. Afterwards, tomorrow we are going to discuss. Okay. Eighth one. If you see the eighth one, what is from the question? It is a page number from question. Write the data. Molarity is given. M is equal to, what is the molarity? 0.1 m. 0.1 m, that is molarity. Then gram molecular weight. What is the gram molecular weight? The question is given ferrous sulfate, that is 278. 278. Then volume also present. What is the volume? 100 ml. So B is 100 ml. Then we have to find out W is equal to question mark. We have to find out weight of the solute. Here, so these are from the questions they are writing here. The data which is present. Question C. Then molarity is equal to, what is the formula? Weight by gram molecular weight into, in ml is present, so 1000 by B, that is ml. It is a formula. But we have to calculate weight of the solute. W is equal to molarity into gram molecular weight into V in ml by 1000 by 1000. Clear? Then what is molarity? 0.1 into molecular weight 278. Molecular weight 278 into, what is the value? 100 by 1000. See the answer. What is the answer? 27.8 by 10. So that is equal to 2.78 grams. W is equal to 2.78 grams. Clear? 2.78 grams. Understood? So these are the data present in the question. We are calculating weight of the solute. So weight equal to molarity into gram molecular weight into value by 1000. From this, we are finding the weight of the solute. So substitute those values and get 2.78 grams. Clear? Let it done fastly. On the ninth problem, 9, level 1, ninth question. So what is here? 3.42 grams of a substance of molecular weight, 340 is present in 250 grams of water. Molarity of this solution. So what is the formula? M is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into, in grams the given 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. That is the formula. Then here W is equal to 3.42 grams. Gram molecular weight 340p is given 342. And what is the weight? 250 solvent here. The right here solvent 250 grams. Now the substitute m is equal to what is the weight? 3.42 by 342 into 3.42 by 342 into 1000 by 250. Clear? So here 0.01 into 25%. Clear? So what is the answer? Molarity is equal to 0.04. That is about molarity of the solution. Molarity of the solution. Clear? So that's about CUQ questions and level 1 problems. And some problems are the same. And tomorrow, next class, we are going to discuss some more numericals. Clear? And level 2 problems are also there. We are going to discuss level 2 problems. And the problems belongs to normality and mode fraction problems also. Next class, we are going to solve those numericals. Clear? If any doubts, please post in WhatsApp group. You know my WhatsApp number. So definitely we will clarify your doubts. Many doubts are there. Okay? We'll meet.